Hello everyone, this is Sneha. Welcome to my sphere. I hope Saraswati Pujo সকলের খুব ভালো কেটেছে and you enjoyed a wonderful Vasant Panchami. It is the onset of spring and love is in the air. আর আজকে আমরা শেয়ার করব a very subtle smoky eye makeup look which is perfect if you are a guest in this wedding season or you are an invitee to any occasion. Disclaimer, I neither am any professional makeup artist nor that I am offering any expertise, but occasionally I really do want to look a little more presentable and I want to tone up myself. But for every single occasion, it's not possible to hire a professional makeup artist for beauty parlor jawa. It's too expensive. I cannot afford it. So I do my eye makeup, my base makeup on my own, and there are few makeup tips and tricks that I have learned due course of time that I'm going to share with you today. এই আই মেকআপ লুকের জন্য যে আইশ্যাডো প্যালেটটা আমরা ইউজ করব that is by Makeup Revolution, extremely affordable, beginners friendly and the only eyeshadow palette that I own right now. This is a beautiful palette with right amount of warm tones, cool tones, mix of colors. These eyeshadows are so pigmented. The shimmers come through, the mattes come through. If you are a beginner, want to invest in a good quality eyeshadow palette on an affordable price point, you can definitely check this out. যে আই পেন্সিলগুলো আমরা আজকে ইউজ করব, the black one is by Faces Canada and the brown one is by Chambord. I will link down every product in the description box below. যে কোনো আই মেকআপ করার আগে it's very important doing the eyebrows. Since I'm done with my eyebrows, I will be starting with my eyeshadow base. আমি এখানে NYX এর eyeshadow base ইউজ করছি in the shade Banana, but you can use any concealer of your choice. I'm using a flat concealer brush and spreading the eyeshadow base all over my lids. Concealer বা eyeshadow base কি করে, it just cancels out all redness or uneven skin tone and it gives an even symmetric canvas to play with colors. Now I'll set the eyeshadow base with a matte bone color eyeshadow using a fluffy eyeshadow brush to prevent the concealer from creasing. Now I will use a cellotape or scotch tape in an angle, imagining a line যেখানে আমাদের lower and upper lash line এর outer corners apparently meet করছে. Using the cellotape not only helps drawing the wing liner but as well eye makeup ke at a defined, clean and uplifted look দেয়. Now I will use this light brownish shade as the transition color to define the crease using the same fluffy brush. Transition shade সবসময়ের জন্য should be the lightest of all the shades যেগুলো ইউজ করা হচ্ছে আই মেকআপের জন্য. All what I'm doing is to looking straight into the mirror and blending the transition shade at the duct area from outer to inner corner. Now I'm using this deeper brownish shade to deepen the outer corners with a different fluff brush. For makeup, always remember that less is more than enough and looks more natural. I will take minimum product and dust out the excess, hold the brush by its end and apply as less pressure as possible and then blend it nicely. এবার আমি একটা flat eyeshadow brush কে makeup fixer দিয়ে dampen করে নেব and I will apply the color named Champagne on the center of my eyelids. In my opinion, damp makeup brush really makes a huge difference on how the color appears on the lid and the shimmer really comes through brilliantly. Now I will use this golden color on the front part of the lid and in the inner corners. It just makes you look more awake. Now I will simply combine these two colors to highlight the brow bone using my fingers. Now I will use a fluffy brush and blend everything together just to make sure that there is no harsh edges and everything looks nicely and seamlessly blended. For the eye pencil, প্রথমে আমি ইউজ করব brown eye pencil on the upper eyelid. I don't have to be precise while drawing the lines since I will smudge them anyway. Now I'm using a black eye pencil by Faces Canada to tightline and on the base of my lash line and will quickly smudge it. Nightmare এই eyeshadow palette darkest color. Basically এটা একটা black eyeshadow. আমি একটা অ্যাঙ্গেল ব্রাশ ইউজ করে আউটার কর্নারে একটা উইং ড্র করব এবং এটাকে ড্র্যাগ করব টুয়ার্ডস দ্য ইনার কর্নার ফলোইং দ্য টেপ লাইনস. This is the time to take off the sellotapes. Look how immediately defined and uplifted this eye makeup looks. আমি same light brown transition color আমার lower lash line এ use করব. Now I will use the black eye pencil in my waterlines and my lower lash lines. I will top it with a black eyeshadow and smudge them immediately. Now I will use the brown eye pencil by Shambor to draw an outline below the black line to give a coppery shimmery effect. And lastly, I'll dust off all the little fallouts with a fan brush. I'll apply my highlighting concealer to brighten up my under eye area. It just gives the makeup a clean and defined look. I immediately will set this concealer with a translucent powder. Makeup Fixer always melts all the powder and sets the makeup in place and makes it last longer and look dewy and glowy. Mascara always opens up the eyes. I'm using the Maybelline one here. You can use any waterproof mascara of your choice. I'll roll the brush from the root to tip. I'll just look down and give the brush a little twist and blink. You see that how curvy the lashes to appear. Do not forget to coat your lower lashes with the mascara. It makes a huge difference. Before finishing off, I will be sharing a few eye makeup tips. Number 1. Chikun rokom eye makeup korar age, it's very important to maintain a good skin. Remember, every makeup starts with a good skincare habit. Amader chokher charpasher skin is way thinner, drier and sensitive than the rest of our face, which is why first fine lines আমরা observe করি আমাদের under eye area তে. Hence, it's extremely important to hydrate and moisturize the skin of our eye area properly before we start doing any kind of eye makeup. It will just take away much of that dryness and our under eye area will appear way smoother. Number 2, take care of your eye health. Sleep well at least for 7 hours and avoid those deep dark circles. If you have healthy eyes and healthy skin, then any makeup will set good and appear good. And this is the final smoky winged eye look appropriate for a wedding guest in this wedding season. You can flaunt it during the daytime or at night. Yes, during the daytime as well. আমি জানি beginnersদের জন্য it's a bit daunting to wear those smoky eyes during the daytime. I can feel you, girl, because I have been into that same discomfort for a longer period of time. But what I have learned that we don't always have to restrict ourselves to those classic dark gray or black smoky eye look. For me, a smoky eye is to start with the darkest color at the base of your lashes and then creating a gradient towards your eyebrows. This is exactly what we have done today. If you have enjoyed the video, then please do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and please do hit that little ring bell button to get notified. We feel that if we are subscribed, then we should be notified, but unfortunately YouTube doesn't work like that, and you have to click that little ring bell button to get notified. This is Sneha signing off today. Bye, take care.